Hello and welcome everyone. In today's video I will show you how to skip songs on Apple Music. To do this it's very simple. You have just to go to Apple Music, go to any album that you want to listen to. For example, I will choose this one, and after that click on play. So after that you have to click on the song in the bottom middle of the screen. And as you can see, this song is playing. If you want to skip it, you have just to click on that double play icon on the right of the screen like this, and it will skip to the next song. And if you want to go back to that song, you have to click on the other side icon, like the double play icons to the left direction like this, 2 times, and it will take you back to the previous song. I hope that you like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, to like this video, and see you in the next one.